Morning guys, WILDMAN here, on a wander, in the middle of absolute nowhere. I've come across this fine creature. I like to document the wildlife while I'm out doing my WILDMAN exploring. Let's see if we can zoom in on this fine creature. I don't know how far it'll zoom in. Now this is anyone, if you've got a fish pond guys, this is your worst enemy. But they are an awesome bird. Oh, what's he just got? Guys, what's he caught? That heron has just caught a mouse. What timing that was. Sorry about the cars guys. What a beautiful creature. That mouse is at it though. Oh God, he's at it. Sorry about the cars. My God, that greedy heron has just gulped down a full mouse. What a legend. Heartburn. He's got heartburn. He's still got a bit hanging out. Is that its tail hanging? Oh my God, get it down you. What a fisherman. That's it, clean your beak. I cleaning his beak. I got a full belly. Man, that mouse must be trying to dig its way out of there, surely. But he ain't bothered. He's just out doing his fishing. Well, at least he's catching mice and not fish. That's a bonus. I don't think it'll zoom in anymore, guys. The more I zoom in, it gets more shaky, but look at him. He's a graceful creature. A big old UK grey heron. What a beauty. I'm just glad I got that on camera. It's not very often you see him catching mice. He's off. I want to find some more mice. What a beautiful creature guys. Oh, where's he gone? Mr. Heron. Mouse hunt. Oh, has he spotted another? Oh, he's seen something. He's seen something. What's he found? Oh, nothing. False alarm. Anyway guys, just thought I'd show you this wonderful bird of WILDMAN country. In the middle of nowhere, creeping up on wildlife and just enjoying this lovely Saturday morning. Right guys, let me zoom out. Have a good one guys. Just thought I'd show you that while I'm out on my travels in the middle of the boonies. Take care people. Look after each other, like and subscribe if you like my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, or a thumbs down. It's all lads. Thank you to everyone for subbing me. Have a good one guys. WILDMAN goes out.